Hey everyone, welcome back to Mechanical Boost. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many car owners face, engine overheating, especially when accelerating. It's a frustrating problem, but fear not. We're going to break down the reasons behind it and discuss what you can do to prevent it. Engines can overheat for many reasons. In general, it's because something is wrong within the cooling system, and heat is not able to escape the engine compartment. Therefore, it's crucial to address the underlying cause promptly, to prevent serious damage to the engine. Let's discuss the most common causes of engine overheating in detail. 1. Low coolant level. The coolant is responsible for absorbing and dissipating heat from the engine. If the coolant level is too low, there is not enough fluid to effectively transfer and disperse heat, leading to overheating. 2. Coolant leaks. The coolant leaks can occur in various parts of the cooling system, such as the radiator, hoses, water pump, or the engine itself. Acceleration increases the demand on the engine. If the coolant level is already low due to leaks, there may not be enough coolant to adequately cool the engine, leading to overheating. 3. Malfunctioning thermostat. The thermostat regulates the flow of coolant through the engine based on temperature. If it fails to open or is stuck closed, it can disrupt the coolant flow. A malfunctioning thermostat leads to overheating, especially when the engine is under stress during acceleration. 4. Bad cooling fan. The cooling fan plays a crucial role in regulating the temperature of the engine by helping dissipate heat from the radiator. If the fan is not working correctly, or fails to turn on when needed, there may not be enough airflow to cool the radiator efficiently, leading to overheating. 5. Clogged radiator. Over time, debris, sediment, or mineral deposits can accumulate inside the radiator. These contaminants may clog the radiator tubes and reduce its ability to transfer heat. When you accelerate, the engine generates excessive heat, and if the radiator is clogged, it cannot efficiently dissipate this additional heat, leading to overheating. 6. Faulty radiator cap. The radiator cap maintains the proper pressure in the cooling system. A faulty cap can result in lower pressure, affecting the boiling point of the coolant. During acceleration, increased engine activity raises temperatures. If the coolant cannot handle the higher temperatures due to a faulty cap, overheating may occur. 7. Water pump failure. The water pump is responsible for circulating coolant through the engine and radiator. If it fails, coolant circulation becomes insufficient, resulting in overheating. 8. Clogged hoses. Your vehicle contains multiple hoses that carry coolant between the engine, radiator, and other components. If any of these hoses becomes clogged or damaged, the proper flow of coolant may disturb, leading to overheating. 9. Faulty temperature sensor. The temperature sensor of your vehicle monitors the engine's temperature and signals the cooling system to take action. If the sensor malfunctions, it may provide inaccurate readings. This leads to improper cooling system operation. 10. Low engine oil. The engine oil plays a vital role in the efficient working of your engine. Engine oil helps to reduce friction and heat in the engine. It ensures the proper lubrication of the engine moving parts. Low oil levels can result in increased friction and overheating. 11. Excessive engine load. Overworking the engine, such as towing heavy loads in high temperatures, increases the heat generated by the engine. This generated heat may exceed the cooling system's capacity and lead to overheating. 12. Damaged head gasket. The head gasket seals the engine's combustion chambers. When it fails, coolant and oil can mix. This oil and coolant mixture may disrupt the performance of your engine's cooling and lubrication systems, leading to overheating. 13. Airflow obstruction. External factors, like debris or a damaged grill, can obstruct the airflow to the radiator. Reduced airflow compromises the radiator's ability to dissipate heat effectively, resulting in overheating. To prevent your engine from overheating, Regularly check and maintain your cooling system. Ensure proper coolant levels and quality. Ensure sufficient oil level before driving. Address any leaks promptly. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge and seek professional help if needed. Don't let the issue linger. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellows. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay cool.